Hello students, I am going to talk about homework number 2, question number 1 in this video. I am going to explain about the cases, different scenarios of this homework question. So the first homework question is about American economy is getting strong. So what will happen when American economy is getting strong? The income of the families go high and the unemployment is going to decrease. So when income is high, people can afford more things. So now here what is happening to the demand of movies, it increase. Okay, so now this demand curve, if you watch the previous video, you can understand this scenario very easily. Now the demand of the movie increase demand. Okay, there is a right shift of demand curve. Okay, but the supply is the same. So now at demand level 1, okay, before the income increase, there is demand level 1. Okay, people, let's assume people only demand 5,000 of movies per day. Okay, and price level was like $20. Okay, but now the income is increasing, so there is more demand. Okay, now they are demanding 10,000. This is an assumption, okay? I'm just taking numbers to explain. Now the seller can increase prices because the supply is the same, okay? Now let's go to part B. Now let's assume that people want to spend less of their free time outdoors. They like to spend indoors. So movie is a indoor activity, okay? Movie is a indoor activity. Now what is happening? They want to demand more movies. So the demand shift to the right. Demand increase. Demand shift to right shift. Right shift of demand curve. Okay. The supply is the same. So quantity 1, quantity 2. This thing. Movie is going 5,000 to 5,000 to 10,000. And demand is increasing. So the price is also increasing because supply is same. Okay, I think there was a mistake in the homework answers in PDF. I will correct it. I will correct it and re-upload it. Because I have mentioned like the demand, I have not mentioned as demand, the supply is stable. So I will correct it. I'm sorry about it. Okay, and then let's go to the part number C. Okay, so in this one, it talks about a cheaper substitute for movies. Okay, so digital television is coming as a substitute, and it is cheap. Okay, it is permit, it is cheap than watching a movie. So now what is happening? Movie is more expensive than watching digital television. So what people are doing, they prefer the cheaper substitute, cheaper option. So for the demand for movies, movie demand decrease. Okay, so the demand shift from right to the left. There is a left shift. Okay, now supply is the same and there is a left shift. There is a left shift. Okay, now this is the, let's assume like earlier, people watch 100 movies. Now there is less demand, they watch 80 movies. Okay, now what is happening? Supply is the same, people are demanding less. Okay, what happened to the, this is Q1, this is, the price is also decreasing. Why? There is a less demand. When there is a less demand and supply is same, the price decrease. Okay, the equilibrium point move from A to B. This is the new equilibrium. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to the number D. In this one, it tells about rise of cost in production of movies. So now what is happening? Production cost increase. Production cost increase. When production cost increase, what is happening to supply? Supply is decreasing because of the production cost. Few reasons that supply can decrease is increasing of production cost or adverse results of technology. That means like degrade technology or else decrease of supplies. These three can be considered as three causes to reduce supply. Here, the supply decrease due to production cost increase. Okay, but demand is same. So here supply is decreasing. Okay, sorry, quantity is decreasing because now supply is decreasing. Now the quantity they provide is decreasing. There is a decrease. Okay, and here at demand curve 1, sorry, supply curve 1, there is quantity, let's say 1,000, price is $1. Okay, so it is cheaper when they produce 1,000 of quantity. But now when the quantity is decreasing, price is increasing. Okay, so in this scenario, quantity is decreasing and price is increasing. Okay, and in this question, now a medical report find out that watching too many movies weaken the eyesight. So what happened? The people get scared of watching movies. So they try to watch less movies. So what is happening? The movie demand is decreasing. There is a left shift. Why? Demand is decreasing. Okay, it is case A. So quantity is decreasing and also the price is decreasing. Quantity is decreasing and price is decreasing when demand is decreasing.